Okay, hi. So this is the TKX, and we need to shift the shifter to this forward location over here. So obviously it comes with the shifter over there. I bought this really nice. So what it involves actually is I did not have to take the tail housing off at all. You have to knock these pins out over here. There's one there and there's one there. 3 out there. Stuff the bottom here full of a rag and catch the pins with a magnet. Then you can slide this one was here, this one was here, and this one was upside down. And then this over here had another piece that operated that, which is this piece here, which was attached to this at the bottom. So we don't need that anymore. And we got this. This here is locating over here. This is the neutral lockout switch. So this is actually locking it in that position. And I bought this kit from Performance Parts Warehouse. And it appears that they've designed this to sit over here like this, with this in the neutral lockout position, which will hold this shaft from moving around, right? It'll hold the shaft from moving around. Got the little shifter here, also super nice with the O-ring and everything. And that should just slot right in there. Which it does. Hallelujah. So it does, just slots right in there. And a shout out for Performance Parts Warehouse. What a great kit.